Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, and thanks for joining in. Today we will be tackling a random game and not editing it. Hopefully we'll get a challenging one so I can show you a few tricks. Let's go ahead and get started here. First things first, I like to go for these columns. That's these cards right here. Then work on the draw pile. If there's an early card in the draw pile, there's not on this picture right here. If there's an early card in the draw pile that can be played, I like to save it for insurance and try to manipulate how the draw pile flows because there's 24 cards there. Okay, you'll see plenty much more of that later. Let's go ahead and start moving some cards around. This 9 can go here. This king is an interesting card. We'd like to get it down, but we're going to have to open up a column to do that. There's two moves we can make. One is this 3. Oh, no, there's an extra move now. We can move the ace up top. And here it is, a 2 of clubs. This is an in-between move. You notice there's no ace of clubs here. We don't know if there's an ace of clubs in the draw pile. Sometimes it's better not to move this, but I'd say more often than not, go ahead and do it in that spot anyway. This is good. We're going to open up, well, almost open up a column, not quite. We'll need a 8 of spades or 8 of clubs to move the 7, and then we can move this king potentially. We've got a couple 10s, so that'll be interesting. So it was the 4 diamonds. Oh, that's the card we want. We want to get this here. So if we can get some low diamond cards, like a 2 of diamonds, 3 of diamonds, then we can put the 4 diamonds up here. That's one possibility. Okay. There's another 8 here. I'm going to hold off on playing this 8 because there's an 8 up front. I think we're going to go ahead and go with this queen, though. It's a little early, but we'll do it here. There we can move the 6. That's good because if we have a red 5, we can open up this column here by playing the 4. So always trying to look for moves. And then that was interesting as well. If you see, there's a king and a queen. That is another alternative, but even if we don't play this king, we can pull this queen down below this king right here. So something to keep in mind. And yeah, let's just look through our moves here. We can move this 9. Obviously going to move the 8. And there it is, the 2 of diamonds. That's good because that'll allow us to make the 4 diamonds as an insurance card or potentially use it up later. Red 5, I'm going to play it. Now, if there is a red 5 earlier in the draw pile, this is a bad move, but I don't remember, so we're going to just play it, and if it is a bad move, we'll come back and put it back. Okay, that's good. That's the ace of clubs. Good card for us. We're going to play that up top, and we'll play this deuce of clubs up as well. Now, we've got a few more moves here. We can move this 10 and open up that column. Okay, that's good. We keep the column going. Again, another move we can make to open up the column. And remember, our goal is to try to open up a couple of these columns, get the kings under them, and, get these cards out of the way. And, of course, manipulate the draw pile as well. There, that's good. We can move this 6, I believe. Yeah, we were waiting for the black 8 right in the front. Yeah, that's what we're waiting for. Okay. We still haven't opened up a column for the king. That's kind of our goal. We're going to go through again and see if we can figure out another way. So this is interesting here. The 4 diamonds, we'd like to make our insurance card. Now, there's 2 8s. Typically I like to play the first 8, not the second one, but this time is going to be an exception. We're probably going to be playing 8, 9. But before we do that, we're going to click forward on the draw pile and see if there's any more moves. We got the 3 of spades, 4 of spades, and then we'll come back to that. Okay, I believe that queen we can play. There's a 7 we can play, and this is good. We can move this 5 of spades here. It's really good, that 5 of spades move. I don't know if you see the move. If you'd like to hit pause, go ahead and hit pause, but there's a column we can open up here. Okay, I trust you've had some time to look at this. This 6 we can open up, but we can't play the 6 up top here. So how do we do it? Well, there's a 6 of spades right here, and all we do is, as you can probably guess, move that 5 of diamonds over. So we're going to move the 5 of diamonds here. Now we can play the 6 of spades up, and more importantly, we can move the 6 of clubs here and open up a column. Oh, that's interesting, interesting. Because we pulled the queen. We had the other queen. This other queen came from the draw pile, didn't it? I almost think, knowing that right now, that this queen should go back to where it came from. And we should play this queen that'll allow us to move this king over here. Although, there may be a way to open up one of these. You know what? No. I'm going to say no, because we have this black 8 right here. We can play the 7 under the 8, and then the 9. It'll be 9, 8, 7 right there. And then we can, of course, move the king over there. So that's going to be the play, I believe. And let's just keep getting rid of some of these other cards here. Actually, the first play is probably going to be to move this king down, move this queen over, and then move this red king over. I think, yeah, that's probably going to be a better play. So we're going to do that, or aim to do that anyway. Let's go through again. And, okay, we can move some cards around. Let's move this cards up. Just going to try to get rid of as many of these cards as possible. 4 of clubs, maybe even get the 5 of clubs up. Yeah, we'll get the 5 of clubs up there. And yeah, that's what we're going to do. We got those cards up. Okay, now it's just a matter of opening up these remaining columns and hoping we got the right cards under there. So here it is. Here's the sequence we were referring to. Going to play the 8 of clubs, and nothing else can be dropped there. So we're going to play the 9. I'm going to move the 7 here. And now we can play the 3 of diamonds, 4 of diamonds, and we can also move this 8 of spades as well. And of course the 5 of hearts. And no, we did not go too fast. I was going to say we could have gone too fast here, but we did not. The 7 can go down, and it actually can go up. We're just going to move as many cards up as possible. Then we're going to move this king down. Let's see what we have here. We got a 6 of hearts up, 7 of hearts up. We'll move the 5 of diamonds up. Now we're going to do clubs. So 6 of clubs, 7 of clubs, 7 of spades, 8 of spades. We're going to move the 8 of hearts, 9 of hearts. And we've got spots for all these cards. The question is, what is under this? And will it be enough? There may be another way. Let's play this king hearts first. Now we'll put the queen there. That'll give us space to bring this down. And of course, move this king over here. And that is a jack. That's a good card because that allows us to open up both these columns. So jack of diamonds is going here. Okay, that's a beautiful card. 6 of diamonds. That will help us solve this game. So 6 of diamonds, 7 of diamonds, 8 of diamonds up. And why is it important? Well, that means we can move this 9 of spades up. And more importantly, we can put this 10 of spades up here. 10 of hearts up. Yeah, we've got this solved here. Yeah, we've got it solved. And yeah. That is going to wrap this up. I'd like to thank you for watching and wish you good luck.